FlyEnv brings local development services together in one native workspace. Open Temporal CLI from the Service Governance Group. The service page shows the Temporal CLI versions installed on your machine. Switch to versions to browse official Temporal CLI releases ready to install. Choose a release and FlyEnv downloads it directly into your local environment. When the download finishes, the installed versions appear on the service page. Open Configuration to review the local settings for your Temporal CLI environment. The built-in editor keeps the configuration close to the service controls. The Versions tab keeps the available and installed releases clearly organized. Use the service controls to run the selected Temporal CLI release locally.